1 year ago, when we did our DIY bathroom remodel and then shared it, we would have never dreamt it would now have over 10 million views. And we can't believe how many people love the transformation or that we did the entire renovation ourselves, because when we started this process, we had no clue what we were doing. And you guys have been asking us so many questions, and we want to answer them all. So we've made a breakdown video of exactly what we did during our bathroom renovation so you can remodel your bathroom too. First up is demo. We were going to carefully remove the tile, but that didn't work out, so we went ahead and gutted everything and reworked the water lines. We added a shower pan and chose Hardie backer to waterproof the walls before tiling. We went with a pre-made niche to ensure it wouldn't leak over time. And to completely make the Hardie backer waterproof, you actually have to tape the seams with a mesh tape and then add thinset to all the joints. Make sure you waterproof around the base of your shower pan or tub. In addition, if you add a niche, you will also have to waterproof around that. Whenever you are adding the thinset, you just want to make sure it's nice and thin so it doesn't bulge up your tiles after it dries. We chose Subway tile, which made this job a little bit more time consuming because it was 700 tile in all. But we went with the method where I would back butter each piece and Trey would add them to the wall. And we worked in little sections and we had a nice pace going until we hit the window. Let's just hope you don't have a window. For my birthday, all I wanted was to complete this shower. And after we got past the window, there was no stopping us. We actually finished the entire shower that night, including the niche. We splurged a little bit and bought the pre-mixed grout. We didn't want a chance at cracking and falling out over time. We also found grout caulk that matches the grout color that's perfect for around the base of the tub or shower. Luckily enough, we were able to use our existing electric lines. We just relocated them to the other wall. And then we had to cap off our old plumbing, and we put a new drain and water lines coming out of the centered spot of where our vanity would be. After pricing out shiplap and not wanting to spend that much money, we ended up using 3 sheets of plywood. We ripped them down into 6-inch boards and used 2 nickel spacers, and we're very happy with how it turned out for $50. Instead of using a brush or a roller to paint on the gray to the shiplap, I insisted that we use a spray gun. I was mostly concerned that if we rolled the paint on, it wouldn't get in the cracks of the shiplap. And I didn't want to have to go through with a small brush and try to touch everything up. And I felt like spraying it would work out a lot easier. Prep work is really important. We needed a clean, flat surface that we could waterproof before tiling. If you remember earlier, we used Hardie backer to waterproof, but we're gonna go with a different method on the floor. We didn't want to use Hardie backer because it would elevate the floor to be taller in the bathroom than it is in the hallway. And this uncoupling membrane that we used is actually better, so over time, when the bathroom and the house shifts, the tile and the grout won't crack. When you grout, it's important that you wipe it off before it dries. To ensure we did everything in a timely manner, he did all the applying and then I would do the wipe off. We even ended up installing our own glass shower doors in just under 3 hours after receiving a $650 estimate. And this is when we realized, wow, we really were going to do this entire bathroom renovation ourselves. We are so happy with how our bathroom turned out, and we have really enjoyed sharing our journey with you guys. So if this video has helped you at all, or if you just like following along with our journey, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.